Hi, good morning, Philippines. Ga-travel me midnight travel. Na namiron sa Ohio, Cleveland. Cleveland, Ohio. Cleveland, Ohio. Asa man tama actually ano? Stop by kay mag-CR. Uy, may nasaag oh. Where you going? She did not sleep. Are you sleepy?
No, a little bit. That's all.
We're in Pennsylvania right now and stop by to get some gas. And I'm going inside to go in the bathroom.